Hi, if you have a little experience working with designers, you may experience it that sometimes designers start complaining about really small changes, like making logo bigger, changing the font, making the color deeper, or giving accent to more buttons. And weirdly enough, they are okay with typo and other mistakes. But why do they react like this? They actually have a couple reasons for this. These hated changes fall in category of personal taste edits that relate only to visuals. Since every person have their own perceptions of beauty, these changes don't guarantee that your clients will have more pleasure while visiting your website or using app. Actually, I have full video about personal taste and product. And even more important about personal taste edits, they do nothing for your business. It doesn't affect your sales, customer acquisition cost, customer satisfaction score, or anything else that affect return on investment rate for your investors. Second reason, while you give a direct task like move this thing 5 pixels left or make this 2 times bigger, you make solution by your own, while the responsibility on them still about specialists that implement it. No one likes to take responsibility for other decisions. This topic as well has own video. Third reason, and most important, when designers make decision on strategic scale or about size of icon, they have a bunch of reasons behind this decision. In case of tweaking things around, logic and consistency of system created by them can be broken, and it can make life harder not only for designers but also for developers, whose effort on development is bigger. As well, it can break experience for end user, and that can negatively affect business. Reason 4. When changes don't make anything good for business or users, it feels really frustrating to spend time on them. Not one like to make useless work, even if it's easy like moving pixels around. Designers want to make great, useful things, make life of people and business better. By the way, would you like hire employee who in the last place of work spent a year moving pixels around, or somehow improved customers' lifetime value by 3%? Reason number 5, and less likely. Your thoughts about designer is simply lazy or incompetent may turn out to be true. It's hardly unlikely, but still could be possible. So, what to do about all of that? Firstly, when you realize that something is not on your taste, remember that you are building a business that should satisfy your customers and return investments for your investors. Are you really willing to spend company resources to satisfy your personal preferences instead of creating benefits for all of your customers? Second, instead direct task, try to define problem for specialist. Like, I think this button is more important than others, or this seems unclear for me. Or even if you are not sure what is wrong, declare it. Eventually, designers will respond with a few more possible solutions for this problem that follow design documentation and are easier for developers. At least it's designers' job to propose and visualize solutions. If you found this information useful, please let me know via like or comment. If you think I'm wrong, let's discuss this in comments below. As well, if you want me to do some project for you or consult you about problem, email me about that. Email address in the description. See you in next video.